Here's how to keep your mustache from hanging all over your mouth when you're trying to grow it out. I'm trying to do a little part here, get it that nice wavy mustache, maybe do a little styling with it in the future. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I've got 3 tools that I use for this. Number 1, our Olio Mustache Wax. We sell this in this small size, which is 0.8 ounces, almost an ounce. And then we have a larger tin for the competition guys. And also my blow dryer, and I like my little wood sandalwood comb. It's red sandalwood. It holds the waxes and the oils really well. It's not like plastic where it's just pushing things around. So I do like a natural wood comb for this job. Here we go. Start out, I jump out of the shower in the morning, and I gotta hit it with some hot air here. So I'm going to start by shaping my mustache just with a little warm air. I'm parting mine in the middle. So what that's done is kind of trained the mustache over to the side already, so you don't have to do so much work with the wax. Also, it's warming up the mustache, getting it ready for the wax. Take the lid off. A lot of people get confused about mustache wax and how to do it. This is how you scrape out mustache wax. You take the back of your thumbnail, and it's hard, and it curls up on the back of your thumbnail like this. Take your next thumbnail, and it's like a little ribbon when it comes out. Once I have those ribbons in my fingers, I transfer them over to my tips, make the little balls. They're a little bit bigger than a BB size. Warm it up in my fingers. And then for this job, I'm just trying to coat the hairs. I want all the hairs to get evenly coated. You don't want to pull too hard. You don't want to start pulling your hairs out. Go all the way down to the corners. Everything that's on your thumbs and your index finger, just get it into there. So you can see my hairs, you know, the guys who like to do twists out here, this is where they're going to do their twists now. For me, since I'm just trying to train my mustache and get it to grow without hanging in my mouth, I'm going to hit it again with the hot air. Then I'm going to hit it with the cold air. It kind of sets it. And that's it. Now throughout the day, I'm able to just take my comb out of my pocket, give it a little nice brush over because there's plenty of wax in there. You'll notice there's no chunks. If there are, you just flatten them out. I can also just reach up here and, you know, throughout the day, if I feel some strays tickling my nose, you can just flatten everything out and it looks super natural. This way, I'm going to allow my hair to grow this way instead of down. It's going to keep it out of my mouth and I'm going to get that nice wave. So I'll update you guys when I get my mustache a little bit longer. You can find us at olioskin.com and at our store in Sugar House, Salt Lake City, Utah. 2157 East, 2100 South, Suite B. Come by and see us.